Hello everyone, Danny here, and with the Halloween season now over, the Disneyland Resort didn't waste any time preparing for the holidays to begin. The holidays at the Disneyland Resort start Friday, November 11th, but for now, these are your current updates. First, let's start at Disneyland Park. So like I mentioned, the holidays begin at Disneyland next Friday on November 11th, and the park is getting decor everywhere. One nice thing about the holiday season at Disneyland is that the whole park joins in on the holiday decor, with only a few exceptions. Whereas with the Halloween season, it's mainly contained to Main Street USA for the Pumpkin Festival, and not really anywhere else except maybe parts of Frontierland. But of course, one of the returning favorites is going to be Sleeping Beauty's Winter Castle, which features over 126,000 twinkling LED lights and icicles, and is the centerpiece for the Believe in Holiday Magic Fireworks Spectacular, which for many excited fans is also making a return this year. Over in Fantasyland, It's a Small World remains closed as it continues to transform into It's a Small World Holiday, and also reopens on November 11th with the beginning of the holiday season. If you remember last year, Disneyland actually had some technical difficulties during the attraction's transformation, which made it miss most, if not all, of the entire holiday season. So let's hope everything goes off without a hitch this year. Lastly, at Disneyland Park, I wanted to also mention Splash Mountain. Now, while we know this attraction will close to become the all-new Tiana's Bayou Adventure attraction, we don't know when the attraction will permanently close for this reimagining. However, last year, and typically every year for this attraction, it closes around early to mid-January for its annual refurbishment. Last year, it actually closed on January 10th. So since we know the Tiana's Bayou Adventure attraction will open in late 2024, it seems to me that closing permanently after the holiday season for the complete reimagining to finally begin makes the most sense. Now, of course, nothing has been officially confirmed by Disney at this point, but I think it's safe to say that if you want to ride Splash Mountain before it closes for roughly over a year or so to complete the construction, you might want to get your rides in sooner and potentially before the holiday season ends at the Disneyland Resort. Now, moving on to Disney California Adventure Park, they too have also quickly begun to transition from the Halloween season to the holidays. And of course, everyone's favorite Festival of Holidays will also return to Disney California Adventure Park on November 11th, and the booths are already set and ready to go. We have a lot of returning booths we remember from previous festivals like the Merry Mashups booth, Making Spirits Bright, and A Twist on a Tradition. But all new this year is the booth located in Hollywoodland across from Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully to the Rescue, and it's called the Flavors of Wakanda. This will be one of the special locations included in the simultaneous celebration happening alongside Festival of Holidays, celebrating Black Panther Wakanda Forever, which is also going to begin on November 11th. The new booth will feature traditional African dishes like peri peri chicken with yellow jollof rice, and mafe, a ground peanut stew with sweet potatoes, tomatoes, black-eyed peas, and spices served with naan bread. There's no word yet on whether this location or booth is going to be included on this year's Sip and Savor Pass alongside the other locations or not, but either way, the food looks and sounds excellent. The former extended dining patio for Avengers Campus's PIM Test Kitchen, located in the Hyperion Theater's queue or holding area, has also closed for its transformation into the Black Panther Celebration Garden. Now, Disney highlights this new area as being a place to relax and honor the legacy of the Black Panther in Wakandan lore, and will be one of the featured locations during this celebration for the new movie. It also looks like it will continue to host more dining space alongside, so I wouldn't expect too much to change here. Over in Cars Land, Radiator Springs has also begun to shed most of its Halloween decor to get ready for the holidays as well. Holiday attractions like Luigi's Joy to the Whirl and Mater's Jingle Jamboree are also returning on November 11th. Lastly, I wanted to head over to the hotels of the Disneyland Resort to share some more updates there at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. On my last video, I shared that painting had only started on the hotel in a small select area, but it seems now they are moving forward on the entire project. The whole tower is changing from a more sandy tan color to this new modern black, whitish, grayish color scheme, Additionally, the former porte-cochere has also been removed as well, as it's reimagined to its more Pied Mondrian-esque look for the new Pixar Place Hotel's modern theme. And that wraps up your updates for the Disneyland Resort this week. I will be, of course, covering the kickoff next weekend to the holiday season and sharing the must-dos, must-eats, and must-sees for my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment below, and consider subscribing for more content. And I also have a podcast called the 5571 Podcast with David Vaughn. We won't be having a podcast this week, but we'll be returning next week for you, so make sure you're subscribed on whatever platform you listen to your podcasts on. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all real soon.